Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 aerospace engineering paper. Question number 44 is consider a one-dimensional inviscid supersonic flow in a diverging duct with heat addition Q in as shown. Which of the following statement or statements is always true? Option A, Mach number M2 greater than M1. Option B, stagnation pressure P1 naught greater than P2 naught. Option C, static pressure P2 greater than P1. Option D, stagnation temperature T1 naught less than T2 naught. So this is the diverging duct, and here Mach number is M1, temperature T1, pressure is P1, and this is exit. At exit, the Mach number is M2, temperature is T2, and pressure is P2. Q is being added to it. So as there are two processes, one is of diverging duct, and other is of heat addition. So as inlet flow is supersonic, so this will behave as diverging duct will behave as nozzle. But heat is being added, so there will be some different phenomena. So checking one by one, first Mach number, checking Mach number. So as because of this diverging duct and supersonic flow, it will behave as nozzle, so Mach number will increase. But heat is being added, so uh, it will make the supersonic flow sonic flow, or it will decrease the Mach number. Okay, so due to this diverging duct, M2 is greater than M1, and due to heat addition, M2 is less than M1. So first statement is not always true. So this is not always true. And stagnation, second statement is stagnation pressure P1 naught greater than P2 naught. So if the isentropic flow takes place from 1 to 2, then the stagnation pressure will not change due to only flow. But if the isentropic expansion doesn't take place, then the stagnation pressure will be lesser here as compared to this. And due to heat addition, the stagnation pressure, there will be also stagnation pressure loss. So this statement B, stagnation pressure here is always greater than stagnation pressure here, or we can say the stagnation pressure at exit will always be less than stagnation pressure at 1. So this statement is, I am reading out for you. Stagnation pressure remains constant in isentropic flow, but heat is being added, so the stagnation pressure decreases. So P01 greater than P02 is always true. Okay. Next is static pressure P2 greater than P1. So static pressure also depend upon Mach number. But if Mach number is more than this, M2 is more than M1, the static pressure will decrease. Okay. If M2 is less than M1, static pressure will increase. So it does also depends upon Mach number. So third statement is static pressure may increase or decrease depending upon the Mach number. So last statement is stagnation temperature T01 less than T02. So T02 is because heat is being added, so stagnation temperature will increase. So T02 will be more as compared to T01 due to heat addition. Because in isentropic flow, the stagnation temperature remains constant, but heat is being added, so it will increase the stagnation temperature. So stagnation temperature increase due to heat addition. So answer is B and D.